Hello everyone, you're welcome to Science Ghetto, and then today we want to look at the functions of the various parts of the Polariscope, because in our last episode we looked at the various parts of the Polariscope, and in this episode we are going to look at the functions of the parts of the Polariscope. Now for the viewing area gives you the opportunity to be able to determine the preformed defects that we have. So, what are the preformed defects? That which do not conform to the standard and quality that we want in our plastic product. So, over here is the chart, and the chart helps you to be able to determine manually the kind of defects you observe in your plastic product or your preform or the plastic product. Now, the sample template placement. The sample template placement gives you the opportunity to be able to project the preform at different angles. There is an angle of 45 degrees and then an angle of 90 degrees. So this gives you the opportunity to be able to observe the defect or observe the quality of your plastic product at different angles. That is 45 degrees and then at 90 degrees. So it's a platform that gives you that opportunity to place your product on. Now we have a look at the compact fluorescent lamp. The compact fluorescent lamp is a white light, and this has a light source that gives you light, and then you're able to observe the defect using the viewing area. The sodium feather switch. The sodium feather switch switches on the sodium lamp. The sodium lamp is a monochromatic light. Even though it has two wavelengths, it is called monochromatic light because the differences between the two wavelengths are very small, which is about 6 nanometers, and therefore is referred to as a monochromatic light. And this is used when you are not able to determine defects easily with your white light. That's a compact fluorescent lamp. So if you are finding difficulty determining preform defect or your plastic product defect, then we use the sodium feather switch or the sodium lamp to be able to determine those defects, because it gives you easy accessibility to those defects. Thank you once again, and you are welcome to Science Ghetto.